Join Bitmart Airdrop. That is pretty much you know everyone can get if it can be tiny token to get, but you get must from this airdrop. If you notice my Bitmart account, here you will see that I get pretty much 100 over, could be $100. So I'm showing you through login. So here is my Bitmart account. If you see that every token I get from this airdrop, like every token I get from airdrops, so it's pretty much a huge amount money, not, but I already withdraw $100 from this exchange. So how do you get this money? I will show you. First thing first, you need to come into my telegram for getting this link, airdrop join link, and you have to have a telegram, Twitter, and yeah, I will show you pretty much good way how to join. Okay, I will suggest you to add your Twitter on browser. I'm showing you through my Chrome browser. Here is I have Twitter. I don't know. I don't wanna use Twitter apps. I will walk through to show you in browser. That will be pretty much easy to do for me, because here is has process that is accessible in browser. So, and here is their post, Bitmart Airdrop post, and here is they have instruction like same way other airdrop has. So follow this account, follow back, follow as well. So follow them, like follow Bitmart exchange, and those are promoted through Bitmart. Follow their account as well, and as well as here join their telegram, as well as sponsors telegram, and retweet and tag 3 friends and like. So here is like, here is retweet, and where you will get your tag 3 friend, just write here good project, everything just about this project that come into your mind, just write down and tag 3 friend, whatever, tag 3 friend without verified account. Okay, I will suggest you like this, those are not verified on Twitter X. I will suggest you to select those account. Okay, and as well as you can copy that, because another way, another place, another place you need to do the same thing. Just copy that, it would be pretty much time saving, and here we click on this arrow button, that is people called retweet, and here is 3 option. So the midest option is go to it, click on there, and here is paste your that link and post, bam. And now click on your profile to getting a screenshot to full that you already done, go to it like this way, and I'm turning on my screenshot section, and here is screenshot, start now.